When I get busy. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Johnson.
Hello, Buckingham Daddy. Where are you?
Yeah, I'm on board. Now I'm about to get to the Witham Road bus stop that you say I should come down. If I come down at the bus stop, where exactly is the saloon?
The saloon is not far from the bus stop. You will see directly opposite you.
Okay. Okay, you are waiting for me in the saloon. Please, because we need to go to that club. I want to enjoy myself today to the fullest.
No wahala now, not the usual now.
Okay now. Okay, but what are you doing in the saloon then?
When you come in, you will know. You too ask question. Buckingham Daddy, just come in. I dey here.
Okay, you. Okay then. I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.
We talk.
Thank you, driver. Thank you.
I'm doing the style this way. Did you say this way or this way? This way? Huh? The style. The style. All back. All back.
When you collect the money, don't forget.
Thank you.
You have this, give this one to her. Come, Oga, you have to give her like this.
Ah, my head. This side. Is it hot?
Do I get you paracetamol? I can go and get it for you. Is it the head that is causing the headache?
Oh, don't worry. I can manage. When I tell you,
It's not fully.
okay, this is wrong.
Yeah. It's like this. You hold it like this. You understand?
Okay, alright. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, just play that one.
Yeah.
I know she's really fast.
Very fast I am. Hey, you see this love, eh? Hey, me, I'm enjoying it. How long have you been married?
We've been married for 20 years.
Ha, this love, now wow, 20 years and it's like you've just started.
Now God.
Ah, thank God, though. Because every time I see you, you come here, it takes 6 hours to see here. Hey.
My dear, I have to go. She's the only one I have. If I don't do it for her, who will I do it for?
Hey, it's true, it's true.
She's the love of my heart.
My husband, all he knows is, have you cooked? I want to eat, not how are you doing? Nothing. Good. It is well.
Don't worry, we will change one day.
Amen, no, amen. 16 years.
Yes.
And it will still change.
Are you even married?
Yeah, I've been married for 16 years.
Hey.
Grandmother.
And your husband didn't come?
It's fine.
Does he follow you to the salon too?
Eh? Salon. No.
Then he doesn't love you.
My darling.
Yes,
Don't
sweetheart.
say that.
Why?
All men are not the same.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know of any man that will go to salon and sit with the wife for 7 hours twice a week.
It's love.
Now wow,
It's
this
love.
love, now serious wow.
Yeah.
Well
It's
done,
love.
sir.
Yeah. At least when I finish my work, what else? She's the only thing I have. So
Exactly.
anywhere she go, I go, yeah.
Exactly.
I have a full-time job.
And you are here 7 hours?
Yeah.
2 times in a week?
The days we come here, those are my off days.
Not even weekend?
I use my weekend to take my family out.
Exactly. That's very good. Thank you.
Mr. Johnson.
Buckingham.
I didn't know the salon is recently salon.
Yeah, well, I told you now.
Well done, my friend.
You're welcome.
Good evening, sir.
Hey, good evening, auntie. This one. So, my wife is here. My
Daddy.
Hello,
Daddy. Good evening, sir.
no wonder. I now see the reason why my friend is in the salon.
Every time this is how he comes. In the salon.
Hey, now wow.
Where else can I be?
Hey,
I'm always
Mr. Johnson.
Sir, it's not easy.
7
hours. Twice in a week. 7 hours. It's not even weekend.
7 good hours.
This love is
Hey,
7 hours Tuesday, 7 hours Thursday.
my friend, is that true?
Yeah.
That is true. And what else can I do?
2 good 7 hours in a week.
14 hours altogether a week.
Is it too much?
Hey, my
For my
friend.
wife now.
Hey, and you get that time.
If I don't have time for my wife, who else will I have time for?
Hey, I go love. Whoa.
Love. If I don't show her love, who will I show love?
Ask me, my friend. Ask me. This is love. Whoa. My friend. My wife, you are lucky.
Very lucky.
So now you follow your wife to salon.
Me, I get time.
You are missing, no.
Do I know that one?
I create time. Oh.
Hey.
I thank God.
Hey, thank God.
Very, very lucky.
But this one now, where you can't stay here, how long you go to stay here now?
Not too long.
About 6 hours.
6 hours.
6 hours.
Yeah.
You still need to stay here more.
Not long now.
Hey, this one where you dey collect a woman hair, just they give them. Now so you go give them woman hair for 6 hours.
Buckingham Daddy, sit down, take drink.
But it be like say I go and come back.
Why you won't leave me?
6 hours too much. I get somewhere where I won't go before. Let me go and come back so that we will come go where we won't go.
Okay then.
Thank you.
Okay.
My wife. Well done.
Thank you, but
you dey enjoy you.
Thank you.
Let me put down the drink. So I'll come back. Come and escort me. Well done, no auntie.
Yes, sir.
Well done. Yeah.
Let me escort you. Sweetheart.
Please come escort
Let
me.
me escort.
Okay, my darling.
Well done. Madam. Thank you. Mr. Johnson. Bye bye, my wife.
Bye-bye.
Well done, no
Bye-bye,
auntie.
Buckingham Daddy.
Why you dey jump like oh?
Madam, I just wanted to respond to this. Yes. This one, I'm sensing him being possessive. This is, I'm talking from experience. This man is over possessive.
Possessive of who?
7 hours on Tuesday, 7 hours on Friday. Not even weekend, weekday. Be careful,
Oh, please. He loves me.
Okay,
What are you talking about? Do you even know the meaning of love? Are you married?
I've been married for 17 years and I understand how this thing happens.
Then you don't know love.
Okay, if you say so.
My husband loves me. Oh, please, I beg, please.
No, it's not love.
Leave him. Leave him. I love him.
Okay, sorry, ma, that I observe.
Maybe just do your job and shut up.
If you know why they call me champion, you won't dare to play with me.
We champion. I beg play.
If I close my eyes, so
I'm a real man. I'm not a man that sell his own birthright to woman.
What do you mean? Which man can't do that one?
Play game. Now you are the talk. Now you sell your birthright to woman.
Me?
Yes.
For where?
You are supposed to call your family, say make them ask you whether you don't chop a vegetable.
I be like who woman go fit charm?
Woman don't charm you.
Charm me, ke.
See this one, oh.
First way one no fit charm, they never born.
This me, woman no fit charm.
In fact, this one, woman don't charm am. You remember that last week where I said we go to one club, meet with him.
Yeah.
Guess where I go meet him?
Where you go meet him?
Now for saloon. This one with his wife go to saloon. He go sit down among women. They pick woman hair. They give woman.
You are lying.
Not be sit down so.
Not be so now me when they take the discuss for draft.
I not be you. Not be you. They talk say you know.
Why would he be lying against you? You are standing there, sitting there, doing nothing.
No, not be say a lie, but he don't understand why I go the salon with my wife.
So why do you go?
He's saying the truth.
Na batting.
Anything say they lie.
Na batting. If I go salon with my wife, na person wife I carry go, not be my wife.
You carry your wife go salon, not be because you know this man work never tire am. If you get correct work, you go sit down for salon. They go pick woman here. They give your wife where everybody where they there they be.
Buckingham Daddy, you now no understand.
Please
understand what?
You okay? Make I tell you what happened.
Okay, tell us.
Fine. You see, I find that anytime when my wife goes salon, if he come back home, na quarrel. House went there in peace before. Once he come back, fight will come. At that time you go remember the food where you chop, the plate they sick, you know wash up. Now my wife they wash all those ones before. You know they bring up problem.
So waiting gonna happen.
So I can't say no. See what I go do be say. It be like say I don't find out the fault. Say na for salon then they teach am bad thing. So now it make me go. I can't read there true. I find out why woman when don't finish her hair when supposed go still stand. They go give them as then they gossip. They give them hair. They give them hair. Now I say today, let me go give hair. Make my wife.
Oh boy, this even I said this guy they make sense. So
I say that place where you see, now there the highest court for this world. Now there they decide men destiny.
Not true.
No, he's actually saying the truth.
Yes, he's
saying that one. I believe her.
So now because of that, you be real corny man.
I tell you, I say woman no fit charm me. So my wife now no say me I dey pick him brain. He dey tell him friends say my husband my husband love me. My husband
there is a sense in what you are saying.
My husband is romantic. I dey laugh am.
No be romantic.
Which romantic? Begging romantic you call Romanian. I say for that day, peace begin in my house. Anytime when even if I come back from work, I tire. I not go say tire. I go carry am for motor, I go drop am there. I go buy drink for salon now so that I not go get chance to go shop.
I learn new trick today. From now henceforth, I go to follow my wife go salon. I tell you. So that they don't go. They don't go teach am bad thing. They don't go instigate her against my home.
You guys are making sense, so.
Play, let me win you. I don't know, say you don't say your bad track.
No. Even if I close my eyes, you don't beat me.
They finish, they scatter my name.
Not being with the play, so.
Hey, may I chop you as your wife, they chop you.
You go chop me.
Play.
Say what you happen.
Give her here.
No, I will give her there. You think they be mumu?
Give her here. That's what they play.
Lay for me.
We go beat you.
Two of you
will beat two.
Oh, yeah.
Lay for me.
Me I chop una.
This man don't fall my hand.
Let him play now. Thank you for watching Buckingham Daddy on CINECROMA Entertainment TV. Please subscribe,
like, and watch all our videos. Remember that our videos are inspirational and motivational, as well as very entertaining. On behalf of Buckingham Daddy, we love you
so much.
Hey, CINECROMA Entertainment Television, Buckingham Daddy. Buckingham Daddy.